So
why is it important that you come to events like AHICE?
obviously there is multiple hotel conferences across Australia, across Southeast Asia, across North Asia, and you could spend your life going to conferences. But I think where it becomes really important is that there's a few events that I believe that you need to be at so that you can continue to build relationships and maintain existing relationships. Obviously, I was in Singapore for 15 years, so there's a lot of people at this conference that I will connect with and stay connected to look for future opportunities for Pro-Invest on how we, over time, grow into this part of the world, but also at the same time, a lot of the capital and investing and the money for hotels in Australia comes from Southeast Asia. So besides from being at this conference, it's at the same time this week there's PIRI in Singapore, which is purely about the capital markets, and then the CBRE are having events where they're talking about where the growth opportunities is, where the money is going to come to. So it's not about just one conference, it is about combining all that together and making maximum use of your time.
And what would you say to investors who are here about why they should talk to you at Pro-Invest?
Obviously, as I just said on stage, I think there's a perfect window happening in the Australian market where supply is really slowed down, demand's picking up. So there's a 5 to 7 year period where investing in the Australian market will show some great returns. So I think for any investor here, come to Pro-Invest. We're the biggest independent operator across the hotel sector in Australia and New Zealand, and we would be happy to help grow your portfolio or work with you on finding opportunities across the Australian and New Zealand market.